Alright, I got this thing today. What is it? Cool. Holy snapping crap. They really packaged this stuff. Open a new one of these. We're gonna eat them. Let's see here. I'm gonna have to move the camera just a little bit. Jeez. All right. Bam. Okay. There. That's what we're gonna do. Sure. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the back off this thing. Nice and easy. Okay. This stuff, I'm really not in the mood. I don't really care. Don't care. Sure. Plastics and all. I won't even touch that just because it's... Oh. Not right over here for now. Come on, you prick. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we got our live card. Sweet. What do we got? Destined Rivals, Paradox Rift, and Cool. Cool. Paradox Rift, Destined Rivals, and Paradox. Cool. Now we're going to take these cards out. We are immediately... Sorry, guys. Alright. Done with that now. Right. Loop. Cool. I don't know what those are gonna be. Okay. Now, what do we got here? Destined Rivals, journey together in Paradox Rift. Okay. We'll do the Paradox Rift first. Sound good? Okay. Cool. Snippety snap. Downpour. Downpour. Blitzel. Bounce Sweet. Phoebos. Vanillux. Defiant Vest. Sure. Durant. Cool. Here we go. We got a Semi-Pour. Holographic. Look at that. We got a Gabite. Holographic. Cool. And we got the Volcanion. Cool. I'll put those ones. And a live card. And that. Paradox Rift, this looks like we're going with here. Ape Bomb. Pansage. Mantike. Sure. There's a regular Gabite. Technical Machine Turbo Energize. Cool. Wug Trio. I don't know, it looks gross. Techno Radar. Cool. There we go. Loudred. Reverse Hollow Loudred. Reverse Hollow Gligar. A full hollow Wochine. Sure. Cool. Live card done. That's enough. That's enough, big dog. Okay. Panseer, I do not have you. All right. Neckit. Zygar, Blipbug, Earthworm, gross. Professor Turo's Scenario, sure. Mineshaw, sure. There's a holographic Earthworm, still gross. There's a reverse hollow Toadscool, cool. We got a holographic Deoxys. Or Deoxys. I don't know how to say their names. Alright. One pack of Journey together. It's a busy time of night, guys. The dogs are barking. And I'm not talking about my feet. This time. Toadscool, that's actually a cool one. I forgot I need to keep these just a little separate. Bam, bam. Just because they are different sets. Toadscool. Mr. Mime, cool. Sprigatito. Blech. Brock's Scouting. Volcarona. Holy smokes. I think I'm getting dumber as the older I get. There's a reverse hollow Palladian Wappa. There we go. And we got ourselves a Remoraid. Watcha. Ooh, cool. Let's go. A Moongus. Live card and energy card. I have a pile of energy cards. Many, many piles of energy cards. Cool, cool. Okay, that was it for Journey Together. There's only one pack of Journey Together, 3 Paradox Rift. You know, I don't mind, it's cool. Yeah, these ones here, DRI. So those are Destined Rivals, cool. But that one's an SVP. Well, Destined Rivals going right there. Paradox Rift going right here. Well, look at me. Just throwing things around here. Alright. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packs of these to open. All right. What do we got? Team Rocket's Norano. Cool. Kangaskhan. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I just dropped that out of my head. Like just Cynthia, Cynthia's Aquatic, Team Factory, Laurentus. That's a double. Primate. Team Rocket's Eradicate. Ooh, damn. I think I may actually already have this card. That's cool though, because then I can trade it. Cool. Neat. It's DRI too. We'll put both those there. We'll put you in here because this is the last of them. Right? I mean, last of the different sets I'm opening today. All right. I don't know how many blip bugs I have on this, but there's a lot. Fluffy. And another one of these green dents. Okay. Nothing too crazy out of that pack. Let's see what this one will provide. Come on, we want something good. We want something good. Nothing. Nothing cool. All right. 3 more to go. Squovet. Moto Roto. What is it? Mo Rotom. Sure. Growlithe. Swallow. Floatzel, Team Rocket's Ariana, Manectric. There's a reverse hollow. Oh, cool. What did we get? What did we get? Neat. I like that one. That's cool, hey. And another Wobble Buffet, of course. Gotta take a look at that one. Cool. All right, 2 more packs, guys. Okay. Ooh, that is a cool card. Bam. And here is an Articuno. Cool. Man, I gotta say, out of just a couple random packs that I bought from Cardboard Slingers, cool. And I still got 1 pack to go. Let's see what we got here. Let's go, let's go. Okay. Drowsy. Let's go. Buizel. Impidimp. Scrafty. Great Ball. Or Beetle. There's a Pupitar. That's a cool one. Reverse Hollow. And reverse hollow Squawkabilly. And another frickin' Grident. Well, that is pretty cool. So the main polls here. We got Ethan's Typhlosion. That's going to be a good one. I like that. Just 1 star. Arvine's Mabostiff? Sure. Cool. Right on, right on. See you on the flip side.